please present yourself?
Hi, I'm Isabel von Artsen. I'm the owner and CEO from Solenzara Salon. Welcome to IMM Cologne. We are now existing since 1 year, and we're very, very happy to be here in IMM Cologne and to present our wonderful fabrics and wonderful furniture and everything what we produce in the wonderful country of Romania.
Why are you here?
Because although the German market is quite down, although we're looking into a bright future, as our name is Solenzara, as our symbol is the sunflower, so we're coming from sunny Romania to present our wonderful furniture, upholsteries, and everything what we produce there. And so to show also what is new this year. And we did a lot of things new. We took 1 year time to modernize our company and to improve and everything like that. And we want to show this here. The expectation is to make good contact, to find new clients, to serve existing clients, to show what is new, to let people try our wonderful furniture, to sit on it like I do now, and to see our quality. And we have the absolutely fortune to have 85 skilled and talented people in Romania producing this wonderful furniture. And so we are very proud to present this.
Who is Solenzara?
Okay, Solenzara is a German brand for interior design and fabrics. So I'm coming from the fabric side, and about 9 years ago I was looking for a furniture supplier because clients were asking me, customers were asking me, because I work with end consumers in Germany, you make lovely curtains, can I get some furniture from you? I said, oh, sorry, I'm not in the furniture branch, but I will have a look. And after a very nice advice of a friend, she advised me to go to the former company Quadra to Romania. And I got to know to these wonderful people, mainly to Christina from the export. And so we started a collaboration, and I bought furniture from there, and I was absolutely convinced that this is a high-end quality. It was really lovely. And so in 2022, I got an email 2 months before Christmas that Quadra will close, and at the end of the year. And there is no continuation, there's nothing. And for me, I think we in Europe, we should not be dependent on Asia. And Romania is one of the richest countries in whole Europe. Woodworking is in your blood. It is everybody knows about. And so furniture made in Europe, this is what Solenzara Salon in Romania stands for. Furniture made in Europe. We are Europe, and we want to produce ourselves. We do not want to depend on the Far East. And so that's why, luckily, I had the possibility with my investment partner together to buy this company. And and to establish Solenzara, as I have a brand already in Germany. We took over this name. And Solenzara, as I told you, stands for brightness, for sunny, for nice things. And I was so amazingly warmly welcomed in Romania. I was overwhelmed. I was really overwhelmed. I feel like a guest in your country. I'm very grateful for this. And I'm grateful for all the people. And they really welcomed me with open arms. We did a lot of things. We had a very hard first year, as everybody in the furniture producing in Romania had a hard year, because people in Europe are reluctant because of all crisis. But we are looking into the future, and we're not looking back, we're looking in front, and we know that things will change, and we produce wonderful products with a high-end quality, with really very, very skilled and talented people, and well, with everything which is coming from Romania. So we are proud of our products, of our Romanian products, and we are proudly presenting them here in Cologne to show Europe and the world what we can do in Romania on a high standard level.